Welcome! In today's video, we're diving into a handy new update for Messenger web chat on your PC. If you've ever wanted to revisit all the links shared in your conversations, you're in the right place. Facebook has made it easier than ever to keep track of those links, and I'm here to walk you through the simple steps to access them. First things first, let's open your Messenger account. Simply go to the Messenger web interface and sign in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your chat list where you can see all your conversations. Now, the next step is to find the chat you want to access. Whether it's a recent chat or an older one, scroll through your list and click on the conversation you're interested in. After you've opened the chat, it's time to focus on the right side menu. Here, you'll see an option that says Media, Files, and Links. Give that a click. This easy navigation will lead you to the treasure trove of shared content within your selected conversation. Finally, from the options presented, choose Links. This section will display all the links that have been shared in that particular chat. It's a super convenient way to keep track of important URLs, or simply to revisit shared content without the hassle of scrolling through endless messages. And there you have it. You now know exactly how to view all shared links on Messenger web chat on your PC. It's a simple process that can save you time and make your chatting experience that much better. Thanks for joining me today, and be sure to hit that like button if you found this video helpful.